Hi teacher. First, I chose this team because my cousin and I start a clothing brand. So for that reason, I chose this team. Um, yes, I start. Well, and my nets. In recent year, with the arrival of the pandemic in Mexico, the economy of Mexican families has hit hard. So their my needs were reduced, and they stopped things about what clothes to buy in order to things about what to eat and what to buy in supermarkets. Okay, a clear example of this is that last year sales fell last year falls sorry sorry time okay year last fell be 60% in the clothing and footwear industry, while the food industry increased its sales by 1.9%. Yes. Okay. The pandemic has greatly affected the Mexican economy and has had many drugs. Sorry, but there are also several areas of opportunity that companies can take to innovate. Sorry. Yes. Okay. Um, in recent year, technological advance. In last year, technological advance, yes, have grown a lot. So new business and new ways of marketing what did I say? Merchandise, mer, merchandise. I don't know. Sorry, merchandise have been great. Very viable options for these industries in online sales, no como una salsa, which although it already existed, in recent year, especially with the pandemic, online shopping has increased a lot up to what 19%. Yes. Well, in conclusion, the pandemic has brought bad things, good things, and many new areas of opportunity to the market. So companies must identify these areas of opportunity and exploit them. It's all for my part. Thank you, teacher, for your attention. See you, and thanks for this semester.